Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy nappie. I'm always having beautiful girls around me. Can you imagine? But they are too short. They are taking me out to have lunch and they want me to try some local foods. And the name is?
Lufla.
What?
Lufla.
Lufla.
That's meat packers.
Oh, that's the name of the area.
Yeah.
And what food are we going to get?
Luwombo.
Luwombo.
Matoke. Yeah.
I know matoke.
Because at Lufla they do cook a lot of beef because it's an abattoir. They call it an abattoir. Abattoir.
Abattoir.
Yeah, it's an abattoir. So there is a lot of fresh beef, fresh goat's meat, fresh everything, fresh chicken, you get everything fresh.
Now I can't just wait. Come with us, let's go and have fun. You know, if I see food, so if you're my friend here and you're a subscriber, I'm so sorry. If I see food, I don't know you. So come with us, let's go! What do we have here?
We've ordered for what have you ordered for? Luwombo. Yeah, Luwombo, matoke, brown rice, and peas, and what else? We have katukuma, we have greens. What? Just that.
God bless the farmer, God bless the cook, and God bless me.
Amen.
Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy nappie. Anytime you see me praying like this, then it's all about food. And you know how much I love food. Today I'm right here at Meat Packer. It's, where is this place? Which road?
Old Portugal Road.
Old Portugal Road. Wow. So I'm here to enjoy some local meals. This is my first time eating a local meal officially on camera. So we have this banana leaves here. Is it banana leaves?
Yeah.
And what do you have in it?
Luwombo.
Luwombo. That's the name of the food.
Yeah.
And what do we have here? Oh, I know these ones. This is pumpkin, this is matoke, this is greens. What's the name of the greens?
Maybe nakati.
Nakati, alright. And what is like white rice?
White rice.
Normal white rice,
Yeah.
wow. So, I don't know how to start. I don't know how to invite you. And let me just look what we have inside here. Ooh, can you get closer?
So you fold this beautifully like this, so that it doesn't keep touching you as you're eating.
All right. So what's made out of this one?
That's the one for meat.
So what's in this one?
That's the one for beef. There is beef. There is nut paste. That's it.
Sorry. Did you get a pickle?
Very soft. What is it? Oh. So healthy. Wow. And what's that? Everyone is asking me what is that? I'm not coming back home. If you have good food and you have me, I'm staying in your country.
We're going to get him a wife and land at any stage. Who discovered already?
So, can I eat this with the rice and the matoke?
You can attack.
So this is matoke. Matoke is made out of plantain. Or you call it banana. You call it plantain or banana?
Banana.
So it's banana. My taste plantain. I love this food so much. It's so refreshing and so healthy. Everybody's looking at me, and I love that.
Let me encroach on his. Who would have eaten this one when it was still soft? That one is now hard. You eat that one fast, now it's hard. When it's just up, Tia, you have put it here. Nappie, let's put it here like this. Wow. Oh, which plate have I not eaten? What plate?
But the next thing it is
Not a good one.
This is just refreshing, so healthy. You guys are missing a lot. Just come to Africa and enjoy real good food. Oh.
In Europe, they are eating what?
Junk.
Biscuit.
Dragon.
This is something else.
Guys, the food is so good.
Can I get your brains? Not everything. Nappie, your acceleration is high. Is the first, second, last.
It's done. Say done. Let me just take this bag.
Let's not put it here, that's when it's nice nappie.
Yeah, I finished mine already.
I'm mixing everything up.
I need soup for the rice.
Please, take me back home. I'm so full right now. I can't even walk anymore.
And you have to finish the food.
Yeah, I know.
When you leave food.
You see these two girls here? They brought me here to eat. She's trying to finish her plate. She's Ugandan. And she has not touched anything on her plate. No, I ate everything.
Just finish this.
We ate everything ourselves. So she's actually poisoning us. But me, I shall not die. If it's food, no way. I love food so much. So thank you so much for bringing me here. I love the food so much. I could finish mine. Look at my plates. And look at my, what's the name? Luwombo. Okay. Luwombo was so good. It's ground up beef. I think this thing, if you take it more than once or twice in a week, you're going to be very big.
A very big belly.
Very big belly, true. I don't wash my hands, so I can't control the camera. Webale Fumba, thank you so much. Kale Kale. Alright, I really appreciate you girls. I really say thank you so much. I'm so full. Now look at my stomach. I'm a sugar daddy now. With pot belly. So, how do I say thank you? Webale Uganda, Webale Irina, Webale Amito, Webale, the whole of the world. Thank you so much for the food. I really appreciate it. This food was so healthy. Like, look at it. A food served in a leaf. This is so good. I don't know what to say. All I want to say is thank you so much.